For the last 36 years, AAA Air Conditioning and Heating has provided quality service to the coastal bend and surrounding areas. We've established a legacy of friendly, high-quality, relationship-driven business practices. Our focus is centered on providing a high level of customer service and craftsmanship with integrity as our foundation. We continue to endeavor to give every client the best customer service experience they've ever had, and that's our promise to you. We pride ourselves on choosing the most highly skilled people in the industry. All of our team members, from the front office to the warehouse to the people in the field, are trained to be thorough, skilled, and to treat people with honor, respect, and dignity. Our understanding of the industry, as well as our extensive training programs, ensure that when we are serving your air conditioning needs, you are receiving the best quality service every single time. AAA Air Conditioning and Heating is committed to providing our customers with the best quality, the best products, the best customer service in the market. Our team of specialists continually research the industry to ensure we only offer the best to you. So our commitment to quality is backed by our industry-leading warranties. We offer 2-year parts and labor warranty on all repairs, and a 10-year parts and labor warranty on all new system installations. We here at AAA Air Conditioning and Heating exist to provide you with the best customer service and most complete service experience in the industry.